Hello and welcome to the Analog Devices Precision Digital Isolation Technology Training videos. This video is the first in the series, and we'll go through galvanic isolation. What it is, why, and where is it used? The key objective is to provide an understanding of what the term galvanic isolation means. We will go through some application examples of where it's commonly used. We will also discuss different approaches to designing and manufacturing isolators. So, what problems are we trying to solve with galvanic isolation? Why would a system designer select such an isolator? Hazardous voltages exist in many industrial settings and some consumer electronics devices. People need to be kept safe from these hazardous voltages. Also, these voltages could cause damage to sensitive or expensive electronic equipment. People and equipment need to be protected. There are many regulations, both at local and global levels, that mandate safety considerations. The most common reason to design an isolator into a system is to satisfy regulatory requirements. The basic function of an isolator is to maintain a high electrical impedance between two different voltage domains. Some can transfer communications or power, and some allow for the transfer of both integrated into one device. The isolation barrier impedance is extremely high, typically in the gigaohm range. Therefore, almost no current flows from one side to the other. Isolation is sometimes used to improve performance in a system. Examples include the elimination of ground loops, providing fault tolerance, or segregating noisy circuits. Typically, there are no safety requirements in these cases. An example of a safety requirement would be in the control of an industrial motor. Here, very high bus voltages, hundreds or even thousands of volts, are often used to drive these motors. A low-voltage control system is generally used to control the armature switching to determine the motor speed, and this part of the system must be protected from the bus voltages. Human operators often interface with the control electronics, creating a need for safety. An international safety standard sets the requirements for this type of application. Analog Devices has many digital isolators that provide trusted safety and data integrity. To learn more, please watch the next in our Precision Digital Isolation video training series. Click on the link below or visit analog.com/iCoupler.